Okay, now give me the fish. Give me the bite. Give me the 3 bite. Okay, that's not the right one. Well... Oh my god, hi Sisethi. I am fishing. I think I have 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fish left in Walker to catch, so I'm pretty close to that title. Gosh, dang it, Bobby. Give me this fish. Just let me see a bite of it. Just a crumb. Just a crumb. I'm on my knees. Fuck! I can't remember if they added the rest action this expansion, but if they did, it's a really good addition. Oh no, not the Phoenix down. I meant like this action here for fishing. You can hit rest when you get a bite. Yeah. They've added a lot of fishing stuff this expansion. Like they added the ambitious lure stuff. They added the swim bait. I don't remember rest being a thing though, so they might have added it in Dawn Trail. It's just a quicker way to drop the fish that you have. Yeah, I think because they added it as a new thing, because it's level 1. They usually don't put new buttons on your bar when they add it in like a patch if you're already past the level. Oh shit, I don't have well, I guess I can do this. Okay. Yeah, fishing has a lot of buttons. Most of them you can get rid of, though. Like, this release stuff, like, if you don't really care for the release list and all that, you can just get rid of those. A lot of the other stuff is, like, spear fishing, too.